at Infosys, you have seen multiple AI applications and implementations across different industries. So could you please share with our audience some of the challenges you are seeing in these environments?
So the challenges are put three things. One, business, technology, and the human element. So when it comes to business, the AI initiatives need to be aligned with the business needs and objectives to achieve a certain business outcomes. Based on that, the relevant use cases on AI projects need to be defined. Now, when these AI projects are defined, it needs to be supplemented by an appropriate end-to-end secure core infrastructure stack and the relevant AI models, applications, and workflows. And the last thing is the human element. Look, AI can deliver huge efficiencies, but can be even better when augmented with the human in the loop. For example, we have developed a learning management platform where we are using an AI model based on reinforced learning, wherein the AI generates content, but we have subject matter experts which review that, enhance that model, customize to the target audience so that it is accurate, and then whatever we update, the AI model learns continuously, and then it becomes smarter and smarter. You never know, it can become smarter than us over time.
Never know, right? No, that's very interesting. So in this context then, how do you see this partnership between SUSE, HPE, and Infosys helping our customers?
Yes. So as you rightly mentioned earlier, there are proliferation of AI technologies coming, a lot of new things every day. So what the partner ecosystem is doing is to simplify the technology stack, okay? Simplify the technology so that engage the customers to focus on what they do best. The business knows their business best. So we let them focus on those areas while as a partners, we focus on the stack. That's the business complexity. Then do the staged implementation through a crawl, walk, run approach, wherein do multiple proof of concepts, variety of technologies that can be used for that customer and industry. Then identify a few targeted pilots and see what works within that system. Then harden it with the right infrastructure stack, which is safe and secure, and then scale big. So that is on the technology complexity. Then comes the scaled investment. The AI can be very expensive, as we heard from Rick as well. So what we are doing very innovatively is, along with SUSE AI stack and with HPE GreenLake, what we are doing is coming with concepts called start now, pay later. And then going with pay as you go. And then we go scaling higher based on the progress that we see and whether the AI projects are delivering value, and then we're going. So this phased implementation is definitely helping us.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope that was insightful for our audience and we can kick off some journeys pretty soon. Thank you. Tom, over to you. So HPE has been a key player in the AI infrastructure space for a while.
We have a wide variety of AI-ready solutions in infrastructure. And in fact, what that does is it actually provides both skill as well as repeatability and security for those solutions, right, and efficiency. And as a result of that, we also made certain that we were dealing with one of the big demands around an AI solution and deployment, which really happens to be dealing with those data-intensive AI environments, right, those applications. And so it actually meets that criteria as well. The example I'd like to use in particular is a newly released product that we have. It's our HPE ProLiant Gen 12 server, which has all of those capabilities and more. But what I'd like to do is highlight one in particular around the security aspect of it, because that's a huge concern, along with the optimization of the data. And on the security side, HPE has some very unique IP that we refer to as integrated lights out technology, which is very, very unique in the marketplace. And it affords you the opportunity to look at everything from the firmware on the chip, all the way up through including the cloud. So it provides total security end to end. But in addition to that, and thank you for the plug on the GreenLake side, is we have a very efficient deployment model that we have. It's a solution we refer to as HPE GreenLake, which really provides a cloud-like experience, but it's on-prem. And what that does, it actually also brings efficiency to the environment, whereby you can lower the costs, but more importantly, you can even have better control of the data.
That's incredible. How do you see this partnership helping our joint customers?
Well, I have to say I'm really excited about this partnership. It's almost as old as I am. No, but it's greater than a 30-year partnership we have with you all. It's just been an amazing run. We can point to many, many solutions where we've co-developed these solutions, gone to market. And by the way, these are integrated, enterprise-grade solutions that we've done together. And that actually helped customers, our joint customers, if you will, mutual customers, keep pace with the ever-changing and evolving trends, both in the industry and the market. But when I think about the relationship more importantly, and particularly from some of the announcements we had this week, it's very exciting to think about leveraging, the open source AI stack that exists with with SUSE, pardon me. But more importantly, one of the things that I find is that when we combine that with the capabilities within HPE, where we actually have this AI grade kind of technology and solutions, it's pretty exciting that we can provide a total end-to-end solution for our customers, providing efficiency, scalability, security, and it's really not only a benefit for the customers, but also creates differentiation for us jointly in the marketplace.
Absolutely does. I mean, we've been talking a lot about guardrails, and we've been talking to a lot of customers, and guardrails seems to be gaining a lot of traction. So how do you see Infosys guardrails working with SUSE AI for our joint customers?
When we looked at the market, we found that there is a lack of scalable open source solutions, right? Especially for AI safety. So this led to kind of development of our Infosys responsible AI guardrails to serve our in-house programs. Now, we went ahead and open sourced it very recently, right? Now, this responsible AI guardrails adds to the curated set of solutions of SUSE AI and actually increases the safety profile of SUSE, right? Especially it addresses the OS top 10 LLM vulnerabilities that are out there, right? Now, this guardrail sits within the AI tool section of SUSE AI and helps you, provides you the codified compliance, safety, security aspects, and also explainability, moderation, and a lot more, right? Now, along with SUSE AI's observability and the responsible AI guardrails, now for SUSE customers, you'll have an enterprise-grade platform, which provides you an opportunity to develop trustworthy, safe, and ethical AI solutions, thus making SUSE AI the platform for enterprise AI applications. So, in fact, I request everybody in the audience to please go ahead and contribute more to open source, and I also look forward to achieving more with SUSE AI.
Perfect. Thank you, gentlemen. We truly value this partnership. These were great insights. Can't wait to share this awesomeness with our joint customers. Thank you for your time.